Good morning students. Today we are going to start the new chapter of class 8, that is chapter 6, squares and square root. Now before that I have shared few video links with you. So you must have got the introduction that what are squares and square roots. Still I will introduce it in a very short to you. Like the very short one I can say that squares are bigger number, it increases the number. Okay. Squares you can say increases the number. Whatever number is given to you, if you will do the square of that, the number will increase. Similarly, with the square root, it decreases the number. This is the trick. This is not the definition. I am saying this is a trick. Like many students are confused that if the question is that find the square root, they will find out the square. So you have to keep in mind this trick that is squares increases the number and square roots decreases the number. Now for example, let's discuss the square. Like square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4. Square means 1 is raised to power 2. This will be read as 1 raised to power 2 or 2 raised to power 2. It means 2 into 2, 1 into 1. 3 raised to power 2 means 3 into 3, that is 9. 4 raised to power 2, 4 into 4, 16. 5 raised to power 2, 5 5 is 25. 6 raised to power 2, 6 6 is 36. 7 raised to power 2, 7 7 is 49. 8 raised to power 2, 8 8 is 64. 9 raised to power 2, 9 9 is 81. 10 raised to power 2, that is 100. At least being in class 8, you all should remember the square roots till 25. Minimum, I am talking about the minimum. That minimum you should remember the square root till 25. So here I will write till 25 only, not more than that. Okay, you all can memorize this square. Now what I am doing, I am finding the squares of number. That's why the value is increasing. Square of 6 is 36. Square of 7 is 49. In all the case you will find out that the value increases. Okay. Square of 21 is 441. 22 is 484, 23, 529, 24 square, 576, and the square of 25 is 625. Okay. Now this is the very simple. These numbers are called square numbers. The numbers which I am putting in box, these numbers are called square numbers or perfect squares. These are called square numbers. Square numbers or perfect squares. Okay. So you can list out perfect squares between two given numbers. Now just observe it. Like when you will do the squaring of, like the unit digit is 1. So on squaring it is 1. Unit digit is 2. On squaring it is 4. 3 का 9 है, 4 का 6 है, 5 का 5, 6 के लास्ट में 6 है, 7 के लास्ट में 9 है, 8 के स्क्वायर के लास्ट में 4 है, 9 के स्क्वायर के लास्ट में 1 है. So what are the properties we can find out? Now first thing you will see when you will analyze all the square numbers, then you will find out that none of the square numbers have 2, 3 and 7. देखिए 1 है, 2 नहीं है कहीं पे भी लास्ट में, 3 भी नहीं है, 4 है, 5 है, 6 है, 7 is also not there and 8 is also not there. Okay, and 0 also odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros. So this is the first point. This is the Like if I will talk about properties of square numbers. So this is the first property, that if any number is having 2, 3, 7 or 8 at its unit place, or odd number of zeros at its unit place, then the number is not a perfect square. Okay, and what else you have observed? At the end we will conclude all the properties. जिसे 1 के स्क्वायरिंग में 1 आ रहा है और किसके 9 के स्क्वायरिंग में 1 आ रहा है, तो अगर किसी की लास्ट, किसी भी स्क्वायर नंबर के लास्ट में 1 है, मीन्स ओके देखिए, दीज आर द स्क्वायर नंबर्स, और अगर मैं इनका स्क्वायर रूट करूंगी, सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 इज 1, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 इज 2. लाइक आई कैन राइट द अपोजिट ऑल्सो, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 इज 2, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 इज 3. दिस इज द सिंबल फॉर स्क्वायर रूट. दिस इज द सिंबल फॉर स्क्वायर रूट. ठीक है, और स्क्वायर के लिए क्या लगाते हैं हम, ऊपर पावर में 2 लग जाती है. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 इज 2, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 इज 3. सिमिलरली स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 64 इज 8. Okay, so what we have observed, that if in the square number the unit digit is 1, means in the square root the unit digit can be 1 or 9. Similarly, if in the square the unit digit is 4, then in the square root the unit digit can be 2 or can be 8. Similarly, if in the square number the unit digit is 9, so in the square root the unit digit can be 3 or can be 7. Now if the square number the unit digit is 6, then in square root unit digit can be 4 or can be 6, और 5 के लिए 5 ही रहेगा, 0 के लिए 0 ही रहेगा. So this is one property, this was one, and this is second property. ठीक है, so let us write down what are the different properties of square numbers and square roots. Now let's have a look what are the different properties of square numbers. Like we have discussed all these properties, still just have a recap of all. Like the first property is all the perfect squares or square numbers end with the digits. Right now I have shown you that whatever square numbers are there, or we say perfect square also, end either with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or even number of zeros. Like either I will have 2 zeros, 4 zeros, 6 zeros, 8 zeros. Okay, I will never have 3 zero in a perfect square. Now none of this end with 2, 3, 7 or 8 at its unit place. किसी के भी लास्ट में 2 नहीं आएगा, 3 नहीं आएगा, 7, 8 और odd number of zeros. अगर 1 0 है तो भी नहीं होगा. Okay, this is the first property to identify. Like just by observation also we can identify that which can be a perfect square number and which will surely not be a perfect square number. Okay, if the number is having this at units place, then it is not compulsory that it will be a perfect square, but it may be. But if the number is having these digits at unit place, then for sure it is not a perfect square number. Now second property, if the number has 1 or 9 its unit place, अगर किसी नंबर के यूनिट प्लेस पे 1 या फिर 9 है, तो जब भी आप उसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो उसके लास्ट में क्या आएगा, 1. इसका अपोजिट भी आप बोल सकते हो, if the number is having 1 at its unit place, so when we will do the square root, then it can have 1 or 9. Similarly 4 और 6 है तो उसका स्क्वायर करने पे तो 6 आएगा, लेकिन अगर 6 है तो उसको स्क्वायर रूट करने पे 4 और 6. Similarly, if the number has 2 or 8 at its unit place, then its square ends in 4. 2 2s are 4, 8 8s are 64. कोई याद करने की जरूरत नहीं, you can simply have tables in your mind. Now, if the number has 3 or 7, then 3 3s are 9, 7 7s are 49. Its square ends in 9. If the number has 5 in its unit place, then its square also have 5. Now number of zeros are double in its square. Supposingly, if I will do the square of 10, then the answer will be 100. So in 10 it was 1 0, in 100 it is 2 0. If I will do the square of 100, it will be 10,000. So in 100 2 zeros, in 10,000 4 zeros. So in this way the number of zeros are doubled in its square. So these are the different properties of square numbers. Now we are having some interesting patterns which are related to square numbers. So now we will discuss some of those patterns also. Okay, now let's discuss some interesting patterns which are there in squares and square root. The first pattern we will discuss, adding triangular numbers. Now what is this pattern? Okay, and what are the triangular numbers? So let me give you some triangular numbers. One is a triangular number. Okay, the next triangular number is 3. Next triangular number is 6. How I am finding these triangular numbers? For finding triangular numbers, what we have to do, we have to add consecutive number. Like 3, first triangular number is 1. So I will add only one number. Now second triangular number is 3. So for finding second triangular number, I have to add two numbers. It is 1 and 2. For finding third triangular numbers, I have to add 3 numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. For finding the fourth triangular number, I will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So what is that? 10. Okay. Now for finding the fifth triangular number, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So it will be 15. So now you have understood how we can find triangular numbers. Triangular numbers are obtained by adding the consecutive numbers. Now why they are named as triangular numbers? इनको हमने triangular numbers ही क्यों नाम दिया? Let's see. This is 1 dot. Now 2 plus 1. This is forming a triangle. Now see, 3 plus 2 plus 1. Again it is forming a triangle. Now next, 4 plus 3 plus 2 and plus 1. This is also forming a triangle. For next, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 and plus 1. This is also forming a triangle. Thus it is called triangular numbers. So I hope you all have understood that what are triangular numbers. For finding triangular numbers, जो भी आपको triangle number पूछ जाए. Supposingly the question is what is the 10th triangular number? So you will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Whatever will be the answer, that will be the triangular number. And why it is named as triangular number? Because when we will write it in the form of dots, we can form a triangle with it. Okay. Now numbers between square numbers. Now supposingly the first square number is 1 and the next is 4. इसके बीच में कितने नंबर आ रहे हैं? 2, 3. So how many they are? 2. Similarly 4 और 9 के बीच में, okay, they should be consecutive square numbers. ठीक है, जैसे 1 का स्क्वायर हो गया ये, and this is the square of 2. Similarly this is the square of 2 and this is the square of 3. तो 4 और 9 के बीच में कौन कौन आ रहा है? 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many they are? 4. Okay. Similarly the square of 3, that is 9, and the square of 4, that is 16. How many numbers are coming in between? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So total 6 numbers. So if you will look at this pattern carefully, between two consecutive numbers, between the squares of two consecutive numbers, how many numbers are there in between? How many, I can say, non-perfect square numbers. इसके बीच में जो भी ये नंबर आ रहे हैं, they are non-perfect squares. These are perfect squares and they are non-perfect square. So the question can be, how many non-perfect square numbers are coming in between these two numbers? The first thing you have to check whether they are consecutive or not. Okay, if they are consecutive, then only the formula is applicable. Now what is that formula? What is that rule? Rule is that there are 2n नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर्स. 2n कितने होंगे? 2n नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर्स. अभी नॉन, दीज ऑल आर द नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर्स between the squares of numbers, between the squares of numbers n and n plus 1. Okay, what does it mean? n and n plus 1. अगर एक नंबर 1 है तो दूसरा 2 होगा. If 1 is 22 then another will be 23. तो अगर 22 के स्क्वायर और 23 के स्क्वायर के बीच में कितने नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर्स आते हैं, अगर ये हमें पता लगाना है, then what I have to do? I have to multiply this n by 2. See how this 2 is coming? 2 into 1. How this 4 is coming? 2 into 2. What is the value of n here? 2. What is the value of n here? 3. So 2 into 3. So I hope you all have understood that how we can find out like only 2 patterns I am discussing in this video. The next patterns I will discuss in our next video. Now based on that we can do some questions. Okay, related whatever patterns we have discussed and whatever topics we have discussed. Now we will do questions of exercise 6.1 related to these only. Okay, now what are triangular numbers and how many numbers are there between two consecutive square numbers. So let's start some questions of exercise 6.1. Let's do some questions of exercise 6.1. The very first question is very easy. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following number? अगर हम इनका स्क्वायर करेंगे मीन्स इफ आई विल इंक्रीज द नंबर तो उसका यूनिट डिजिट क्या होगा? लाइक फर्स्ट में 81 है, मतलब लास्ट में 1 है, 1 का स्क्वायर करने पे कितना आता है? 1. सिमिलरली फॉर सेकेंड पार्ट इट्स 272. 2 है लास्ट में, स्क्वायर करने पे कितना आएगा? 4. आपको सिर्फ लास्ट की डिजिट देखनी है. नाउ फॉर थर्ड पार्ट इट्स 799. लास्ट में क्या है? 9. सो 9 9 जा 81. तो स्क्वायर करने पे लास्ट में क्या आ रहा है? 1. यू हैव टू ओनली टेल अबाउट द यूनिट डिजिट. नाउ फॉर फोर्थ पार्ट 3853. Now 3 is there, so on squaring what I will get? 9. For fifth part 1 2 3 4. 4 is there, so on 4 4 is 16. So unit place will be 6. Next sixth part 2 6 3 8 7. The unit place is 7. So 7 7s are 49. So 9 will come at the end. Similarly for seventh part the last is 8. At last I am having 8. So the unit digit will be 4. For eighth part the last is 0. So the unit digit will be 00 or you can only write 0. Its unit digit will be 0. Now next is ninth part is the unit digit is 6 in that case. So on squaring I will get 6 6 are 36. 6 again. And 10th part 5 is at last. आपको स्क्वायर की यूनिट डिजिट पता करने के लिए you only should know the unit digit of that number. So the unit digit will be 5. So in this way your first question is done. Now second question is the following numbers are obviously not perfect square. अब सेकेंड में जितने भी हैं आपको वो सारे के सारे दे आर नॉट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. रीजन, फर्स्ट पार्ट में यूनिट डिजिट कितनी है? 7. सेकेंड में कितनी है? 3. थर्ड पार्ट में यूनिट डिजिट इज 8. इन फोर्थ पार्ट यूनिट डिजिट इज 2. इन फिफ्थ पार्ट देयर आर 3 zeros. इन सिक्स्थ पार्ट देयर अगेन द यूनिट डिजिट इज 2. सेवेंथ पार्ट देयर आर 3 zeros. एट पार्ट देयर इज 1 zero. So all are not perfect square numbers. So what is the reason? We will write a common reason. All are not perfect squares because they have 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros at their unit place. Thus, they are not perfect square, because this is one of the property of square numbers, that if any number is having these digits or odd number of zeros at unit place, then they will not be a perfect square. Now moving to your question number 3rd, the squares of which of the following would be odd numbers? Again it's very simple, किस का square करेंगे तो odd आएगा. Now in first part the unit digit is 1, so 1 के square करने पे 1 ही आएगा odd. Second part में last में 6 है, 6 का square करेंगे तो 6 ही आ रहा है last में, 6 is 36, so it will be even. और 9 का square करेंगे तो 9 9 से 81, 1 that is odd. Then 4 का square, fourth part में last digit में क्या है 4, 4 का square करेंगे 16, so again it is even. So in third part we can write first 431 and third part 7779 would be or will have odd numbers at its unit place on squaring. ठीक है, squaring करने पे in this and this part only we will have odd numbers or it will be an odd numbers. Now the next patterns, fourth question I am leaving for the next video, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Till 8th I am leaving it. Now question number 9th we can discuss, because the second pattern which we have discussed is related to the question number 9. How many numbers lie between the squares of the following number? Now when you will look at all the three parts, first part 12 and 13, second part it is 25 and 26, and third part it is 99 and 100. So we can see that they all are consecutive number. This is n, n plus 1, n, n plus 1, n, n plus 1. So what is the formula for finding the non-perfect square number? That is 2n. Means 2 into 12, that is 24, 2 into 25, 50, 2 into 99, 198. Okay, you can at the end you can write the formula. Since there are 2n, the same property you can write, the property which I have written in the second pattern. There are 2n non-perfect square numbers between n and n plus 1 squares. This is the reason for all the three parts, that how you have written these answers, because this is the formula. So right now we have discussed 2 patterns and these 4 questions of exercise we have discussed. Now other patterns and other questions we will discuss in our next video. By that time you can complete this and we will see the other questions in our next class. Thank you students.